and on the high. Check your swara. Mine is left. So I'll use my danda in my left to support my right nostril. When you sit in Chin Mudra, elbow to come straight. Chin Mudra help you to have natural abdominal breathing. 20 strokes of kapal Bhati. After that, Antar Kumbhak with Jalandhar bandh for half minute. If you can't come back before, and those of you high BP, don't do Antar Kumbhak and Jalandhar bandh part. So get ready. Awareness of forehead. And then turn your palm facing down, straighten the elbow, breathing first, full yogic. Now, and come off. There should not be hurry to go into Antar Kumbhak and Bandha, and there should not be hurry to come off. If you do that, you get side effects. Second round. Deep breath, Antar Kumbhak, Jalandhar bandh. Come out of it. At the end of bandha, you should not have change in your breath rate. Third round. Fourth round. One more. Those of you who are senior practitioner, you will adopt Khechri Mudra once again. Those of you who are in TTC and new to class, don't do that. And we will do next practice, Bhramri. Those of you who are senior, you can do Bhramri in Khechri Mudra. Your sound quality will be like conch. And be aware of Bindu this week, where Pandit keep the bunch of hair. And when you put the finger in your ear, feel it give you access to Agya Chakra and more awareness. So focusing at Bindu, 3 minutes we will do Bhramri Pranayam. Last round. Next practice we will do Kaki Pranayam. If you feel you have low blood pressure, constipation, you are slightly depressed, then you straight go to Nadi Sodhan now itself. We will breathe in through pursed lips and keeping the inside mouth hydrated, feeling the coolness throughout the body, and breathe out through the nose. 3 minutes.